This week I came back to the workshop with a disturbing thought that didn't let me sleep all week. Editing the previous episode, I was looking at my bike and I had a thought that something is not right.
Meeting!
Meeting! Meeting!
Are there going to be biscuits at this meeting?
Is there
I
biscuits?
forgot to bring biscuits, I'm sorry.
I'm not allowed biscuits.
You're not allowed biscuits.
No.
Are you losing weight again?
Yeah. Not again. I am. Not again.
Constantly losing weight. There will be nothing left of you soon. You're shrinking, Sven.
I've got an apple. What's the meeting? Meeting?
The meeting is about the dilemma that don't let me sleep.
What?
I think we should face the bike, but we don't. We know what's behind us. So the problem, the dilemma that I have, you can see some sticky tape because I ran inside, didn't switch the camera on, just desperate to see if my up is too high.
What was you saying? No, what was you saying about your ump?
I said it's something not right.
Alright.
I feel it's something not right. I have this vision in front of my eyes.
Alright, Bear. What was you talking about?
About something is not right on my bike. I have a feeling that it's not right. I can't explain it.
It's a dilemma.
Verbally can't explain it, but I look at it and something I don't like about it. I'm not sure what, but it's something between the seat and the tank.
That's you.
I'm not saying
That's where you fit, between the seat and the tank.
That's a dilemma.
It's not
Maybe
right.
it's a dilemma. No, it's not right.
So you need to change it. So you need to start by changing what?
It's a shape issue.
Oh, let's get the door out the way.
And it's not a shape
Hang on.
issue in between the tank and the hump. Not a shape issue with me. It's a shape issue with the bike. Jonesy, you need to go on the diet.
Instead of touching my seat unit I've been working on for so long, we decided to try some tanks that Simon and Sam found in the workshop.
Yeah, it is the most beautiful because it is the most expensive.
And then I put one that fitted just perfect. This one. The problem was Simon said it's very rare and expensive.
Why didn't we get that tank in the first place? Oh yeah. And it's my... That's my tank!
It's your tank. It's expensive. Look at it.
Everything was perfect about that tank. Even the color, it's just like it was made for my bike. Suddenly all my worries I had all night disappeared and I looked at it and everything looked proportional and everything looked perfect except from one problem. The tank was still extremely rare and expensive.
And the hump doesn't look too good. Nothing, it's
There's
proportional.
more angle on that tank, which makes that look
And
better.
also, because it has like a curve, but also like the angles, it's just everything works. I know it's your tank, where I can get a tank similar or like
We don't make them anymore.
anything similar,
Nothing similar.
it must be. Can somebody make a tank?
No.
Oh, that's in one of the boxes.
You can't make them anymore.
Alchemy parts.
It's one and only in the world left.
It's like
It's not fair. How is
I
this
think it's
fair?
a cluster for.
Can you stop talking? We writing important information.
Oh, sorry.
It's one and only tank in the world left.
Damn, there's no more of these tanks left, is there?
What tank's it off?
The Unobtainium 275.
Oh, fuck me. Where would you ever find one of them ever again?
There's a reason why they're called Unobtainium.
Unobtainium.
Because they're unobtainable.
You sure nobody can make something
Positive.
similar? Similar?
Positive.
Why?
We could go back in time to the beginning of the millennia when the Unobtainium 275 was born, and it was made by these small creatures from the planet of Unobtainium.
Stop it.
Oh, you can have the tank.
Be serious.
It's only on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why you do that to me then?
Because I like winding you up. You are a member of this workshop, therefore you have to.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you can have it. I don't want
It's
it.
a Honda pancake.
I found it over there.
Really?
It's a Honda one, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's why it fits.
It fits so perfectly.
So you need to mark that seat, cut that seat off, put the seat back on.
Are you serious?
Yes, just have it.
Oh, happy days!
Oh, happy days.
Oh my god, this is perfect.
It is perfect.
It
It
is
will
perfect.
cost you.
Happy birthday to me. No?
You've had a birthday present.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't.
I said happy birthday. You should be very privileged. I would have done it for the moment. Well, yeah. So that needs cutting off.
Yeah, that needs cutting off.
Basically, you've got to start the end off. And make sure lumps from
And then see. You need to do that. Huh? We just need to cut it. And we don't have to replace something. I love it. I just want to like this and how.
yeah, well, basically.
I'll bring the fucking foil. Stop it! Oh my God.
That doesn't bother me. Does that get?
Yeah.
I've just got to get that under there.
You have foil.
Sam, does this bother you?
You have foil. I'm gonna wrap my tank in foil so you can't touch it anymore.
Action.
Okay. Now, as we have a new tank generously donated by Simon, I have to make sure I mention it because he might change his mind. I need to mount it again, once again, to think of a different way to mount it because it is longer than the previous tank. And the mount will come from the tube because Simon says that's gonna be stronger. He's dancing behind the camera, I can't show it, but he's like literally winding me up, not helping making faces. Anyway, I have this little piece of metal that we're gonna bend, and maybe I'm gonna do that with a vise. Bend it nice with a vise, and it will come off the tube like a little shape of, how is that shape called?
Which?
Yeah, little bridge shape, and then we'll make a thread. How it's called when you're making a thread?
Tap.
Tap, tap, tap. And that's it. We have a new mount, voila. Then afterwards I have to shorten my seat unit and shorten my, what is that thing? Seat pad?
Pan.
Pan.
That's called a pan.
Pan. Cooking pan.
Yeah. It's the same name.
What the hell? Okay. Pan.
Sit in one, cook in the other.
Okay then. So yeah, I have to shorten the pan as well, and everything slightly changing.
Slightly?
No, I mean the bike changing dramatically, but slightly changing this bit.
Yes.
My seat unit. Are you reading my messages now?
Yes.
Okay, so I marked the middle and I marked where I want to bend.
Yeah.
Another type of bending today.
Yeah, I'm just going to do a crease bend.
Crease bend. Okay. We're using guns again.
Guns. You use, so you want that square.
Yep. I don't think it's gonna work this way.
Come on. Come on. You need to go with it.
Not working. Svensson not strong enough to use something else.
I only used it the other day. In this Weiss. I nearly said, I said Weiss then, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, it's like an airbag situation.
Alright.
This one?
Yeah, that's it. Fucking everyone hates a smart ass, don't they?
That's how you do it. Whoa! That's so cool.
Yeah. Law of leverages. Action!
Action! Da-da-da-da-da-da! So now... Can see fuck all through that mess.
Yes.
Look at this stuff. Oh my god! Oh my god, that makes such a difference! You don't see, you don't see.
Do.
Bruce,
Do.
I can't see anything from that.
Got a rag on your head.
Brilliant.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Brilliant. Oh, look at this. How's the gap on the other side?
Yeah, it's got a gap.
Big gap?
Yeah, it's a gap.
Brilliant. It's even. It's even. Right.
Front, and you drop it back down, make sure it's alright. And you've got to keep taking it on and off. That's clever. Well done. Good thinking, son.
I'm not son. Simon has 3 sons. He keeps calling me son.
Go on, boy.
But I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
Not in here, you ain't.
Okay. I'm a boy in here.
Right. Okay, so you're going to explain to everyone what you're going to do.
I'm gonna do dunk.
Zip, zip. And a fart, fart.
And then and that's it.
So let's go.
Jag åker precis.
Go back there.
Ja.
Go back there. Does that not need to be?
Oh,
Does that not need to follow this line
no. No, because it follows the line of an engine.
and the
Look.
carburetors?
And carbs goes, so like we have a line of a seat that is horizontal, and then carbs go slightly lower, and then engine goes even more lower.
But the tank
So it kind of follows the line of the carbs. Look, it follows the line of the carbs perfectly. Look,
I'm
see the line of
trying
the carbs, so good.
All right, yes, see it now.
I think I can lift you.
All right.
See? It's perfect. Isn't it? So good.
Not bad. It's not bad.
It's very good.
Seen better.
It's beautiful.
Seen better. Seen better on me, Sam.
Always seen better.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
But you haven't seen a better bike either.
No, I like it. I like it a lot. I think that's a good decision. It's a good decision not to cut the seat unit. That's an excellent decision. Because I now think
You don't need
it's
to be better.
Yes.
Not at all. It would be too small.
You can fit in there.
Yes.
Action! That's broken, that, isn't it? It's broken, broken, broken.
Perfect.
As now I'm about halfway through my journey, my build. First time I look at it and I'm not just absolutely happy about where it's going, but also I could see the picture. I could imagine what colors I want. I could imagine how it's gonna look. I could imagine how I want the details to be and all other things, because first time I clearly see how my build will look. And I thought it was great to go back, guys, and show you Jonesy when I picked it up the first day when I brought it to Mint in the condition it was and how it looked, just to recap and see all the journey that I made.